class 8. This is the continuation part of the previous video, and in the previous video we have done the the chapter choosing your friend from your English Bliss, and we have completed the page number 40, but we have not completed the whole. Two paragraphs were remaining. So I am starting from the first paragraph which was remaining so please take out the book and turn to page number 40 and see the second last paragraph. Now the king was very curious to know about the third doll. He then inspected the third doll. The king found a hole in the ear and nowhere else. So what is written? You know that there was a king of Magad, and he was very famous for his wisdom and his encouragement towards the artists and the scholars. So one day, one craftsman, he came to the court of the king of Magad, and he gave 3 dolls to him. And there was one doll, and he told also, that means the artist told to the king that maybe the 3 dolls were looking similar, but they had the differences, and the king could not able to find out the differences. And suddenly he saw that there was one hole in one ear of a doll. Okay, and when he put one thin wire into that hole, so it just came out through another ear. Second doll, when the king observed the second doll, he got that yes, there was a hole in the one ear, and when he put again the wire, so it came out to the mouth, because in the mouth there was also a hole. So when he put the thin wire into the ear, the wire came out to the mouth. Now the king was very much curious to know that what is there in the third doll. And then he saw the third doll is having one hole in the ear, and nowhere else. Okay. When he put the wire into the hole, so it went in and remained there, because there were no other holes. The king thought for a while, then congratulated the craftsman, saying, "You are a very clever man. Your art spreads a wise message to the people." So then, after realizing this, the king said to the craftsman that you are a very, very clever man, and I am congratulating you for your cleverly, for your intelligence. And you have made these 3 dolls, and you have also giving one message to the people. These 3 dolls represent 3 types of friends. Every man needs a true friend to help him in difficulties. Listen to him with kindness and keep his secrets. The first doll stands for the worst of friend. So the king now, he is explaining what are the dolls representing. The king said this man, the artist, actually he represented these 3 dolls for the 3 different kind of friends in our lives. Every man needs a true friend, and to help the friend. Who are the friends? The friends are who are helping us, who can understand our difficulties, who can listen to us whenever we are in problem. The friends are the people who can take our secrets, and the friends are the people who are very kind to us. Okay. The first doll represented the worst kind of friend. Why? Because this kind of friends, they are hearing our problems and they are only hearing our our problems, and they listens, but they are also, they don't have any, they don't bother about our problems. Why? Now see, the first all stands for the worst kind of friend. If you tell about your troubles to him, he will pretend to listen, but he does not care. He listens, but he is pretending to listen, because he does not care about this problem, your problems. What he hears passes out of his head without leaving any impression on his mind. He cannot help anyone. With him there is no love or trust. This kind of person, they are not helping us, they are not listen to our problems, they are only pretending that they are listening, but they are actually not listening. They are pretending they are listening, and they don't care, they don't care about our problems. And this kinds of they are, and also this kind of friends, they cannot help anyone, and they must not show our love and trust. That means they are not deserving our love and trust. So this is the first kind of friend, and they are the worst one. Okay.